Hi, do you want to do a video recording on Jitsi Meet? You can do this very easily. You must see three dots icon in your meeting, right? As soon as you click here, you will get the option of recording meeting. You can now select the option where you want to save your recording. So, we are using Dropbox here. Then the Start Meeting recording by clicking on Start Recording. You can confirm that you have started recording in a pop-up message. Your video will be automatically saved in Dropbox as soon as you confirm by clicking on Stop Recording.
Recording has stopped.
Completed.
You must log into your Dropbox to access your video. So, search on Google as showing in the video. Your recorded video is inside this 8x8 Meet folder, from where you can save your video to your local drive whenever you want. Thanks for watching. You can visit the link below to download Jitsi now and start using for free.